What's up, YouTube? I received my R11 Pro Anti Venom a few weeks ago. Been kind of busy, just getting around to the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. This thing been out for a few years, but it's still one of the best looking helmets that HJC makes to me. Besides the carbon, of course, if you guys follow me, you know my carbon was stolen. Still bugged about that. There's paperwork up top. HJC stickers. It's just something about stickers. I mean, it's just like a prize in a cereal box almost. Some more instructions. Put these to the side right now. As you can see, I just really repackaged this so I can do this unboxing for you guys. This is a really clean helmet. Has the extra visor. At least I know what this is now. It's an anti-fog visor. Well, that's all that came in the box. Of course, you know, these helmets have plenty of venting. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the brow vent, that's 6. It has an extra little switch in here. You can drop down, get more venting. Emergency latches. It's a really comfortable helmet. This one does not have the battery compartment for the center that's made specifically for this helmet. That was kind of a bummer because I was going to get the center just to really try it out and see how it compares to the Cardo. I heard the center was good. some people say it's good, some people say it's bad. Some people say the Cardo is better, some people say the center is better. I ran into a guy maybe a week or so ago. He has both. He said he liked the center better. So I was going to try it out. But since I don't have that extra compartment, I'm not going to try it out. I thought because of the price of this helmet that it would have the compartment, because this helmet is actually more than the Cardo as far as price. But I guess you're just paying for the Marvel graphics. So here's the helmet. I said I was debating on getting another carbon or this one, so I actually went with this one because I already had the Cardo. I mean the carbon. Sorry about that. I already had the carbon. I may get the carbon somewhere down the line. Who knows? Another one. Let's try the see how this thing looks with the tinted vent on it. Well, this is another thing I like about these helmets is the quick release. See how simple it was. Right in there. I like the way the venting, the graphics is on the venting button. That's really nice. That's a nice touch. And of course, the locking right here. That's a nice touch. Of course, that's one of the features of the Cardo. And it's right in the middle too. You know, some helmets have it to the right or to the left. This one is right in the middle. It's neutral, so you can just reach up and grab it with either hand. So hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and of course like this video, share it, and subscribe, and click that notification bell, and drop down in the comments and let me know what you think of this helmet.